Good morning. My name is Ajeng Kartika Sari as a representative for presenting paper with title Comparative Analysis of Hyperparameter Optimization Techniques for IndoBERT in Indonesian Sarcasm Detection. With other authors are Rudiasono Aradia and Rina Mardiati. In this presentation, it will be consist of background of research, purpose, methodology, experiment, and result and conclusion. This research conduct with consideration that besides sarcasm detection field research is important, research on Indonesian sarcasm detection is still limited. And then, from prior research, it found out that BERT is for proper sarcasm detection. However, one of BERT's limitation is its compositional cost, so we have to use BERT carefully. And then, the performance of BERT depends heavily on its hyperparameter configuration tuning. So, we need a right hyperparameter configuration to get the good result of training model. So, mainly, the purpose of this research is first, extend Indonesian sarcasm detection research by applying automatic hyperparameter optimization (HPO) techniques. There is some hyperparameter optimization techniques used in this research. There is Bayesian optimization hyperband and Bayesian optimization hyperbands, and will be compared with each other and also with the baseline model without using hyperparameter optimization. And then we will investigate whether automated hyperparameter search can improve BERT performance while alleviating the burden of manual tuning and computational costs. And here is the methodology of our research, where firstly the dataset will through the preprocessing process and then will be splitted. And the model we are developed here in the research, there is 4 model, and for the first model is baseline model. We'll steadily train it using the configuration hyperparameter from the prior research, and then will be trained and the result will be evaluated. While the other 3 models that are using hyperparameter optimization will through the process of hyperparameter configuration search first, and then the result of configuration it will be used for training model and then go to evaluation. And here is the dataset of our research use, where the class distribution is even 2,200 for each class, where the total is 4,400 rows, and 0 is labeled for non-sarcasm text, and 1 is labeled for sarcasm text. And here is the resources of dataset we are used. In the experiment, we are using this preprocessing process. Firstly, for lowercasing, it is lowercase the capitalized character for each words and change it to the lowercase. And then we also conduct expand repeated words where if the words has ending with number, it will be converted to the actual words which separated by dash, and then we also replace slang words to the actual words. And here is the detail of example of preprocessing process. For the configuration setting, here is in the left one, there is range value for hyperparameter optimization process, and in the right one, it is hyperparameter configuration for the baseline model that acquired from the prior research. And here is the result of optimized configuration with each techniques. There is Bayesian optimization, hyperband, and BOHB, where the where the optimized hyperparameter configuration are learning-led by size, epochs with decay, and dropout, with the results are shown in this table. And here is the result of every model we are trained throughout the matrix of precision, recall, and F1 score. And here is, we can see that IndoBERT and Hyperband has more perform in every matrix than other model with the detail of result for every model shown in this table. And here is also we collect the result of other matrix. There is accuracy loss and time cost for every model we are trained. And in this result, we also can see that IndoBERT with Hyperband has more perform than other model. Also conducting retraining for every model 4 times for supporting the consistency of performance model. And we can see that the model with hyperbands is still the most perform than the other model, and followed by Bayesian optimization hyperband, and then the baseline model. So the conclusion of this research, firstly, automatic hyperparameter methods enhance IndoBERT performance for Indonesian sarcasm detection, and then hyperband achieved the best result with 87.05% accuracy and F1 score, and proved to be the most effective optimization method in this case. And then hyperparameter optimization techniques provide a promising approach for improving deep learning models across NLP tests. And for the future work, we can develop larger and higher quality Indonesian sarcasm dataset and explore additional hyperparameter optimization methods and optimization libraries. Thank you.